In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect PlayStation 5 controller to Samsung A15. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your DualSense controller on a Samsung A15. This process is going to work not only for this specific model, but also any other Samsung device that you have, so another phone or even a tablet. All that you have to do to connect your PlayStation 5 controller is to use Bluetooth. This is going to be by far the most convenient option to connect it. So go to your phone's settings, and in there you will be able to access the Bluetooth category. Make sure that Bluetooth is turned on, and now you will be able to find the PlayStation 5 controller on the list of available devices. To do this, make sure that you set the DualSense into pairing mode. So press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously. So these buttons that I've highlighted here. When you hold them for a few seconds, eventually the light bar on the controller will start flashing, indicating that it is now in pairing mode. So if you look under the list of available devices on the phone itself, the PlayStation 5 controller will be listed. So choose it under the list of Bluetooth devices, and immediately upon doing so, it is going to be connected. Give it a few seconds, you should see that the light bar will now be a stable color, and now when you open any game that supports controllers on your Android or Samsung device, you will be able to use it. It is going to work right away as long as it has sufficient battery. If it doesn't work, I recommend restarting your phone, double checking to see if the Bluetooth connection was established, and if it wasn't, make sure that the controller is not pairing up with another device around the room, and as long as you choose it from within your phone's available devices, it should work flawlessly. So charge it if needed, and if it doesn't work, then you can try a wired connection. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect PlayStation 5 controller to a Samsung A15. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.